Hello guys, Manfra in the area. If you clicked on this video, you certainly can't stand it anymore, right? You want to watch your favorite series on the internet or you want to watch a video on YouTube, but you can't because the video is lagging or freezing. Then every moment you have to go back to the video, you have to restart your browser, restart your computer, and nothing resolved. Then you blame the internet, you blame your PC, you want to discount calm, you don't need that. I'll give you 2 steps simple without installing anything you will do on your computer there. And after you restart it, you will never have this problem again. Okay, stick with me and let's go. So guys, let's go straight to the first step without rolling. Okay, if your browser is Chrome or Firefox, it will also work. Mine is Opera GX. Okay, I think it's lighter, so I use it. So I'm going to open my Opera GX here. If yours is Google Chrome, open your Google Chrome. It was already open here, but I'm going from the beginning, okay? If yours is Chrome, you will type here, Chrome 2 dots, bar flags, and it will give enter. Okay, if it's Firefox, same thing, Firefox 2 dots, bar flags, as mine is Opera, right? I'm going to type here, Opera 2 dots, bar flags, okay, is the name of your browser here, 2 points, bar flags of enter beauty. He will open these options here for you. Okay, it's just the graphic settings of your browser. Okay, then you will type here within this search field, render the word render of rendering beauty. This option here called overrides software rendering list. What it does with your browser, stop using only the processor and also use your video card. If your computer has or your integrated video that has all computers that don't have a video card is the so-called onboard video card. Okay, so what will happen if it is disabled? That it will be for sure, it will be disabled, your computer, it will be using only your processor to access your videos, right? To run your videos, render your videos, and what happens? It ends up being overloaded because it already deals with your browser, your Windows files, everything you run on your computer is your processor, right? That takes care of that there. Your video card, especially if it is on board, it will have there more or less 1 GB or 2 GB of video memory available to help your processor to work, but in this case it will be disabled, so your video will certainly be lagging and freezing because your processor will not be able to do everything by itself. Okay, so you will enable this option, and this top option confirms here, right here. It says that all the platforms of your software, right from your Windows, will be based on the H.274. That is your processor, is my processor at home. Okay, and running right on my video card, on my GPU. So if this one is disabled on your computer or has default put enabled to, okay, because then you will confirm to your computer that you want it to work right together, your processor with your video memory, okay, or your video card done, that you will restart, right? It will ask you to restart your browser. Beauty started normal, right? Then it will open the same tray again that you were there, just to you confirm if it was enabled. First step completed. Okay, second step is very simple too. You will type in your keyboard, hold the Windows flag that is right down here in the corner, and press R. Okay, it will open this search field for you, and you will need to type exactly like this. Regedit it, and then press enter. When prompted, click on yes. Okay, I'll close it here now, right? So we can start again from the very beginning so you don't get lost. Okay, so I'll close everything here. Ready? You come first in HKE, local machine, system, and then you go to current, against 7, against, then you will click here. Next, press the S of SUSE and you will look for a folder called Sysson Manager. If your manager is here, then you will click on the right one, and within the system, it will have the memory management. Right, ready, this will stay on top of the name here, of the folder memory management. Okay, now I'm going to delete this file here, so you can see that I had already activated mine here too. Please make sure you are following each step in the correct order. If you do not see the Sysson Manager folder, double check that you are in the correct path. Once you find it, proceed carefully and remember that changes here can affect your system's performance. Deleting the file will show that the activation was already completed on my system as well. Here now it is also very simple. You will click with the right button, and here it has word value 32 bits and keyword value 64 bits. How do you know if your computer is 32 or 64 bits? You open the folder here on this computer or my computer, you click with the right button and go to properties. Wait, to load here in type of system, here is the 64-bit operating system processor based 64 in x64, that is my operating system, is 64 bits. If yours has 32 bits, then here you will open new, and you will use the word 32. If yours is like mine, you will use that the 64-bit word beauty. Okay, then here you will type, and oh, and age is right, and the page is lock limit. Note that all the first letters are capital I, capital P, capital L, capital L, capital. Okay, okay, you click twice here, and in data value you will type capital letter and 4 zeros, 0000 will be in hexadecimal even. Okay, and it's done. You will restart your computer, will open your browser, will open YouTube, will watch another video of mine, okay? And then you will see that it will no longer lock, will not have more headache. You go there on the internet, go to your favorite series, put an episode there to run, and you will see that even that delay that was to load at the beginning will not have more. You will click there. If the internet is good, will click in 2, 3, 4 seconds. It will already start your video, okay? And it won't lock anymore, I guarantee you. So what do I ask in exchange for that? Right, just your thanks, right? Subscribe to the channel, right? Like this video, for the love of God, okay? And it's essential to leave a comment there. Thanks, man, you helped me. I needed it. You saved me, because I want to help as many people as possible. And I also want to help me. I want to get out of these 2 subscribers. I want to have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, a million. What God allows me and what you allow me, okay? If you don't comment on the video, it will flop, right? What will happen? He will stop recommending my video because it won't be relevant, because no one comments, no one likes it, so there's no engagement. So help me as I'm helping you. Leave a comment there. If you have nothing to say, put an emoji, put it there. Thanks, man. Okay? If you are interested in issues of computer technology, Windows, right? This is the channel for you to subscribe there now, okay? And guarantee that you won't miss any video I'm going to bring here, because there will be several and all will be very relevant and will help you one day somehow. Okay, my thank you very much for staying here. God bless your life. A big hug, and until the next video.